Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to talk about YUM configurations. In this Linux series we have talked about a couple of topics. That was like in the previous video we have learned about the RPM configurations, package manager, how you can download, how you can check more detailed version if this is installed or not particular package. And in this Linux series we are going to talk about YUM configuration. By this using YUM you generally use to download any package, like you want to download HTTPD, you want to download Apache, you want to download a Tomcat, you want to download Jenkins, any of the files if you want to download Docker. So by this we use YUM as a command to install this. But before that, if we don't have YUM configuration, so how we gonna do that? But I'm using Amazon Linux machine, but if you use Red Hat machine in the Oracle VirtualBox, so you need to configure your YUM configurations there. Then after only it gonna run for you, works for you. But nowadays, what we are doing, we are right now. I'm just showing you the where you will go and how you have to make the changes in the instances. Okay, so let me quickly get connect with my working instance. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds, like it's waiting. So till now basically yum is a also a package manager, or we can say it's help into the downloading any of the file, like if you want docker or any of the package if you want to install, so here yum will help. Okay, so to configure the yum, we are going to see the step-by-step approach today in this video. So let's begin this video. So we have already our instance Linux machine. So let me quickly go into the root and just do ls. Okay, right now we are into pw, using pw, we are the root user. Suppose if you want to know the if you want to know the path, which path it has been connected, so there is a command df-h. Okay, this show you which path is mounted to which path. Okay, like this file system is mounted of how much size and how much is available, how much is used, and is mounted to which path. Okay, so this is the one thing. Coming to the second thing, if you want to configure the YUM configuration, so you have to go to a certain repository, directly certain folder where you will get this YUM configurations file. If there's not, you need to create one YUM configurations file. Okay, so for that there is a command cd /etc/yum dot. So let me go one by one. So I'm just going into cd etc. Let me do quickly ls. So you will find one repository as yum repo. Okay, yum repo.d. This is already been there into your system. Okay, then you need to go into this yum .repos.d. Then you hit enter. Let me quickly. Okay, so in that yum.repos.d, here already they have given me pre-yum configurations by the Linux machine. But if you are using Linux from the Oracle VirtualBox, you need to configure the yum. So how you can configure the yum? What the steps will be there? So I'm just helping out with the step. I will not going to run because I already have the configurations in my file. I'm just showing you the steps, how all the things you can use. So nothing, you just need to create a file as when you can create as redhat.rep or anything you can add. But don't forget to add extension as .rapo in your when you are creating file. It's the one of the important part, so that it help into the like creation of the file, creating a yum repository file. So .rapo is an extension. Okay, so now we are into the file. So you need to write certain things, like first of all there are two things. We have base os and secondly we have app streams. Okay, these both things we need to configure here. So I'm just showing you the step. You need what all the things you need to write. So we are just writing dvd1 and just write with the base url. Base url here will be what, like from where it going to take your file. Okay, and beside dvd1 you can just write here for the we are writing this for the base os. Okay, base os part. Then coming next, you just need to write gpg check is equals to 0, and you can also write enabled is equals to 1. Okay, this is for the base OS. Now we are writing same for the app stream. These are the two package manager from where all the anything packages come over. This is generally getting the loaded, and from that loaded it's been will get configured for us. Okay, so we are writing for the app stream. Don't forget this A and is P is in the uppercase, and here B and OS in the are in the uppercase. So don't forget from that also. Sometimes it get it doesn't it's show you the fail, and just same as a GPG check base URL you need to give, and enabled is equals to 1. So what you need to do, you just need to save this file, and if you do ls, our file has been saved. So like this, they have already given me pre-install setup in this. So let me quickly show you what Amazon .linux Amazon Linux. So they have given the same thing which I have shown you and which we have configured here. They have written Amazon Linux. They have written the name. They have written the enable. They have written the GPG jack. They have given. We can give more parameters. It depends to us. In the yesterday video, we have talked about the RPM. Okay, we have talked about the RPM packages and how we can install. Then they have multiple things they have written here. The mirror list is generally known as our base URL from where it gonna take and download the packages for you. Okay, so let me quickly go out. I'm already okay, we are already out. So let me clear screen, and now what if you need to check if your YUM is configured right or not. So just go to the YUM repo list and just hit enter. So yeah, our YUM has been successfully configured. Let me quickly delete that particular file. It will Red Hat repo. Okay, so we have deleted it because it's gonna affect us. So when you do YUM repo list, it will show you us the repo ID is this, and this has been connected with this particular repository, and if you want kernel life patch, and it is connected to with this particular part. So if you now what the things, our YUM has been successfully configured. We have successfully configured the YUM. Now let's try to install some packages like HTTPD. So for checking the package HTTPD is installed or not, we have a command rpm-q HTTPD. This I have taught this command about the RPM in the previous video. If anyone has not watched that video, please go and watch that particular video. It's gonna help you how RPM works. Okay, so if we click enter, we get to know like the package HTTPD is not installed over here, so we need to install. So there is a command yum install, like as I told you earlier in the video. To install anything we use yum install HTTPD. So it has started installing your package, and it has successfully installed the package for us like this. So let quickly check with the rpm-q HTTPD. Yeah, our HTTPD package has been successfully packed. So by the using of this yum command, you can install any of the package. If you want to install Docker, if you want to install Jenkins, if you want to install Java, anything you can install from it. You can install software from it to check the okay, so if you want to try to refer the manual of the YUM, so you can same do man YUM, what all those parameters they provide to us. Like we have one more thing I am going to show you with the DNS also, what they have alias. Like this is the manual of the YUM they have provided. If you require, if you stuck somewhere, if you want to pass some with the parameters, you can use this manual, and you can go and quickly check over here. Okay, then coming towards the part, if you want to uninstall the software through this, we have installed. Now if you want to uninstall, so yum remove LWDPD. So our packages has been uninstalled. Okay, it's erasing, and again if you want to check, so again rpm-q HTTPD, the package HTTPD is not installed, because we have first we have installed with the this command yum install HTTPD, and from this yum remove HTTPD we have uninstalled it, deleted it. Okay, now if you want to install from the DNF, okay, we have talked about the RPM and we have talked about the YUM, and last the thing that comes is DNF. If you want to install any package from the DNF, so DNF install HTTPD. So this also is a package like software download manager, as it's YUM, in the place of YUM you can use DNF. Okay, and if you again want to check, there is a package has been successfully launched, so you can install from DNF also, you can install from YUM also. So this both can be installed, but you need to have YUM configured in your system. If not, I have shown you already stuff what where to go and how to configure them. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in comment section, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe my video. Thank you guys.